before solving this problem, you should be clear about the basics of polynomials. Two videos which have been uploaded on our channel will provide you all the basic concepts required to solve all the NCERT problems as well as the exemplar problems. So those two videos, thumbnail I am going to flash over here. So we are going to solve this question here. This is question number 1. You have to find which of these expressions is a polynomial. So first one given is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. If you have watched the previous video which I was referring to, then you can easily say that this is a polynomial because there is no variable in the denominator. Second point is that the variables, the exponents are whole numbers and these coefficients are real numbers. So this is a polynomial. Similarly here this is also a polynomial. You can see that there is no variable in the denominator. The exponent is a whole number and the coefficients are real number. Okay. Let us look at this expression 3 under root t. So if you try to solve it, it will become 3 into t raised to the power half plus t into 2 raised to power half. Clearly this is not a polynomial because here the exponent is not a whole number. In polynomial the exponent of the variable must be whole number. Then fourth is not a polynomial because you can see a variable in the denominator. Then this is x is to power 10, y is to power 3, t is to power 50. Yes, this is a polynomial because there is no variable in the denominator. The coefficients of variable are real number and the exponents are whole number. You can see 10 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number as well as 50 is a whole number. Plus we also, the question is that we have to state which are polynomials in one variables. So if you have to identify a polynomial in one variable, 4x square minus 3x plus 7, this is polynomial in one variable. Y square plus root, this is also a polynomial in one variable, plus t under root 2. Even though variable is single, but this is not a polynomial as we have discussed just now. Fourth one, y plus 2 upon y. This is also not a polynomial because variable is coming in the denominator. And third one was x10 plus y raised to power 3 plus t50. This is polynomial but it is not in one variable. This is polynomial in 3 variables x, y and t. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So first one given is 2 plus x square plus x, 2 plus x square plus x. Second part is 2 minus x square plus x cube, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Third is pi by 2 x square, pi by 2 x square plus x, and fourth is under root 2 x minus 1. So we have to find the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square in this case will be plus 1, or I am writing here 1 only. X square, this is coefficient is minus 1. Here the coefficient is pi by 2 and here the coefficient of x square is 0. You can see that there is no x square term. That means x square has the coefficient is 0. This expression under root 2 x minus 1, you can write plus 0 x square. If you write it like this, you will come to know that the coefficient of x square is 0. Give example of a binomial, degree 35. So you should know what is a binomial. Binomial is a polynomial having two terms, and the highest exponent should be 35. So for example, I am writing here like this: x 35, let us say plus x 2 x square. Okay, so this is binomial. You can see there are two terms, and here the exponent is 35. So the degree of this term is 35, degree of this term is 2, and the degree of this expression will be 35. Then monomial of degree 100. For example, let us say 5a 100, 5x 100. Single term, okay. Highest exponent is 100, degree 100. So that will be monomial. Question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So first is 5x cube. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x plus 4x square plus 7x. Then 4 minus y square. Then next 5t minus under root 7. Next 3. So we have to find the degree. So you can see here three terms. Here the degree is 1, degree is 2, degree is 3. Highest degree is 3. So the degree of polynomial is 3. Here you can see that highest degree is 2. Degree of this term is 2. This is constant. So here the answer will be 2. Then here the degree will be 1. And here this is a constant polynomial. For constant polynomial the degree is 0, as we discussed previously. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So first part is x square plus x. Second is x minus x cube. Third is y plus y square plus 4. Y plus y square plus 4. The next is 1 plus x. Then next is 3t. I am writing here 3t. Sixth is r square. And then 7x cube. Degree is of this polynomial is 2. So this is quadratic. I am writing here cube, quadratic. Here you can see that highest degree is 3. So this will be cubic. Here this is again a quadratic. Here the highest degree is 1. So this will be a linear polynomial. Linear. Then here you can see that degree is 1. So here this will again be a linear polynomial. The degree is 2. So this is quadratic. The degree is 3. So this will be cubic. So that's how you have to solve this question. So next is 2.2. First is find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So we have to find the value at first is x is equal to 0, second is x is equal to minus 1, and third is x is equal to 2. If you substitute 0, then this will be 0, this will be 0, answer will be 3. Minus 1, so this will be minus 5, minus 1 means this will be minus 4, plus 3, so this will be minus 6. X is 2, so this will be 10, 10 minus 4, 4, 16, 16 plus 3, so this will be minus 3. It means you have to evaluate substituting value of the variable as 0, 1 and 2. So the polynomials given, first is polynomial in variable y square minus y plus 1, y square minus y plus 1. So here if you substitute value 0, then answer will be 0, 0, 1. If you substitute value 1, then this will be 1 minus 1 plus 1, this will be plus 1. If you substitute value 2, then it will be 4 minus 2 plus 1, so this will be 5 minus 2, 3. See, all of these things we have previously discussed under the heading evaluation of polynomials. So we have discussed how to evaluate polynomial. That is why I am directly solving it without any further explanations. So next is polynomial in t, 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So this is the given polynomial. Let us evaluate. Substituting value 0, and this will be 2, 0, 0, 0. Then if you are substituting value 1, it will be 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So this will be 4. And if you are substituting value 2, it will be 2 plus 2 plus 8 minus 8. It will be also 4. X cube. At 0, polynomial will evaluate to 0. For 1 it will be 1, and for 2 it will be 8. Then fourth is x minus 1 into x plus 1. If you substitute value 0, then it will be minus 1 into plus 1, it will be minus 1. If you substitute value 1, then this will be 0, so it will be 0. And if you substitute value 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so that's how you have to do it. Verify whether the following are zeros of polynomial indicated against them. So Px, polynomial in variable x, 3x plus 1. 0 indicated is minus 1 upon 3. How to find 0? This you have discussed previously. So here, how to find 0? You have to get this thing with 0. In this equation, if you solve, x will be minus 1 upon 3. So that is correct. 5x. So this is the second part. 5x minus 5 and the 0 indicated is 4 by 5. So how to find 0? Equate this thing with 0. So x will come out to be pi by 5. 4 by 5 is wrong. Then third is polynomial given is x square minus 1. So this was your first subpart, this was second, and this is your third subpart. Polynomial given is x square minus 1 and x is equal to, there are two zeros indicated, 1 and minus 1. So what we can do is, in order to find 0, we will form an equation, polynomial equal to 0. So here it means that x is equal to 1, this is square, on the other side it becomes like this. That means it is having two zero, one is plus 1 and other is minus 1. This is, if you solve it, it will be plus minus 1. And the indicated 0 is also plus minus 1. So this is our correct answer. Fourth subpart. Polynomial given is single variable x plus 1, x minus 2, and the zeros indicated are minus 1 and 2. So if you want to find 0, you should equate it equal to 0. So this means that x can be minus 1 and if you solve this bracket is equal to, or x can be equal to 2. So this is correct. 0 can be minus 1 or 2. Fifth part, px x square. Polynomial single variable x square. Okay, 0 indicated as 0. In order to find 0, we will equate this thing equal to 0. X square is equal to 0. This means that x is equal to 0. So this is also correct. Polynomial in x is equal to nx plus m and x 0 indicated is minus m by. So what we will do is, we will write the equation and then according to the equation minus m by n. So it is correct. It will be like that only. 0 is correct. 7. Polynomial in x three x square minus 1. How to find 0? We have discussed previously. For my equation 3x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve it. X will be 1 upon 3 plus minus under. So that means plus 1 upon root 3 is correct and minus 1 upon root 3 is also correct. Let us see what zeros are indicated. My zeros indicated are minus 1 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. So this is correct, but this is wrong. Okay. 0 indicated is 1 upon 2. So equate it for my equation. That means x will come out to be minus 1 upon 2. So x1 upon 2 is wrong. We have discussed previously how we can find zeros of a polynomial. In case you have missed that video, then please check the playlist again. Then these questions are very easy. Else if you do not know what is a zero, how to find zero, then it will be very difficult. Next question. First polynomial given is x plus 5. 4. First is x plus 5. Equate it to 0. then this means that 0 will be minus 5. Second subpart, x minus 5. Polynomial given is x minus 5. Equate it to 0. This implies that x is equal to 5. So this will be 0. Then third, polynomial given is 2x plus 5. If you have 2x plus 5, equate this thing to 0. Then 0 will be minus 5 by 2. Fourth is 3x minus 2. Equate this thing equal to 0, and then the 0 will come out to be 2 by 3. Fifth is 3x. Equate this thing equal to 0. So x will be 0. I am writing like this, ax. Where it has been given that a is not equal to 0. If a is 0, then this will become constant. Constant 0 polynomial. So here we have to find the 0. If you have to find the 0, the method is you have to equate this thing to 0, and then x will be 0. So this is sixth part. Polynomial is cx plus d. C and d are real numbers. It is given. Find 0. So x will be minus d upon c. So that's how you have to do this question. First is we have to find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, first is x plus 1, second is x minus half, third is x, fourth is x plus pi, fifth is 5 plus 2x, what will be remainder? So this is dividend polynomial, these are divisor polynomial given. So equate the divisor equal to 0. So x value will come to be minus 1. Substitute minus 1 here. So it will be minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So this will be 0. So from this polynomial you can conclude that x is half. If you substitute half here, it will be 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. You can take LCM 8. If you take LCM 8, then it becomes 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. So this means 12 and 8, 20, 26, 27, 27 by 8. X. So you have to equate this thing to 0. X will come out to be 0. So this, all the term will be reduced to 0. You will be getting only 1. So this I am writing over here, fourth part. It will be easier for me. The fourth part is x plus pi. Equate this thing equal to 0. This means that x is equal to minus 5. Substitute the value, minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. For this, it is clear that x should be minus 5 by 2. So let us substitute the value here, minus 5 by 2. So this will be minus 125 by 8. This will be plus 25 and 3, 75 by 4. So this will be minus 15 by 2. This will be plus. So we can take LCM 8. If we take LCM 8, then this will be minus 125. This will be plus 150 minus 60 plus 8. So this is plus 25 and 5 30. So this is minus 35 minus 35 means that it will be minus 27, and this is 8, minus 27 by 8. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square, x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, now you are dividing it by x minus a. So first you have to find the 0. X minus a equated to 0. This is your divisor. So x will be a. Substitute the value. A cube minus a square plus 6 into a minus a. So this will be a cube. This will be minus a cube. This is plus 6a minus a. So the remainder will be 5a. That will be the remainder. Check whether 7 plus 3x. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. If this is a factor, then the remainder should be 0. So if I equate it to 0, then x will be minus 7 by 3. Let us substitute the value. 3 minus 7 by 3 plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. So this is cube. So this means it will be 7, 7, 49. 49 and 7 means 3, 4, 3 minus divided by 9. This is minus 49 by 3. So no need of solving further. You can see that both the terms are minus. It will not be equal to 0. If you want, you can solve it, but it will not be equal to 0. Hence 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. That is the answer.